Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are fine. Today, our topic is time 24-hour clock. Textbook page 231 to 234. Workbook pages 130 to 132. Okay, guys. Learning objectives, students, you are going to learn about 12-hour time and 24-hour time. Here I want to show you two types of clock. One is digital clock and second is analog clock. Digital clock shows time in form of digits. Analog clock shows time with the help of hands. Okay guys, let's start the work on textbook page 231. Here 24-hour clock. First of all, I want to tell you in a one day there are 24 hours. On the timeline you can see midnight to noon, noon to midnight. One day complete 24 hour here. Okay guys, 12-hour clock. This clock shows time in a 12-hour cycle. For a complete day of 24 hour, the hour hand has to turn two complete cycles of 12 hour as each is shown here. You can see in the first cycle, it is start from the midnight to noon. You know at midnight our daytime and date and everything is changed. So a new day is always start at midnight. It is called written with AM and it is called first cycle of the clock. After midnight, the PM second cycle of the clock will start and it will also end at the next midnight. Hopefully you have clear the cycle of a clock. Okay guys, in this area, this is same page 231, 24-hour clock. You can see in the picture or 11 and 34 is minute. We can read this time as 11:34. We do not need to write AM or PM with 24-hour clock. This is very important point. Keep in your mind. Okay. 24-hour clock 11:34 is there. I want to write this time into 12-hour clock. So I will write like this 11:34 and AM will come. Guys, AM and PM will come only 12-hour time. If time is in 24-hour clock in 4-digit form, there will be no need to write AM and PM. Keep in your mind. And one more thing, if the number or minute or number is less than 12, then the number is come as it is and it is called AM time. AM time means midnight to noon time. Okay guys, after this I'm having another page, textbook page 232. Okay guys, there is question number 2. This is on the digital clock, time shows 14:27. We read the time 14:27. 14 is greater than 12. It means it is afternoon time. You can see with the help of arrow we have done the sum here. 14:27 minus 12, answer is 2:27. 12 we will subtract from our number, not from the minute, and PM will come because there is more than 12 number. Our number is more than 12, that is 14. So PM will come. It represent it is afternoon time. Question number 3. Try this A part 0905. Okay, it means I want to write this time into 12-hour time. 12-hour time means it will come with AM and PM. 9:05 AM. 9 because 9 is less than 12, so time will come as it is and AM will come. It is morning time. In the B part 15:36, this is 15. 15 represents it's the afternoon time. Subtract 12 from it. Okay, when you subtract 12 from 15, answer is 3.36. And if you are subtracting something from our number, it means PM will come. Okay, keep in your mind this thing. Question number 4. How do we read this time? A part is 15:00. It means 15 is more than 12. PM time, afternoon time, it's a bigger number than 12. When you subtract 12 from it, it is 3:00 PM. In simple words, 3 o'clock of afternoon. In the B part 02:00, I want to write this time into 12-hour clock. So for this purpose there is 2. It means it is less than 12. It is morning time. So morning to midnight, noon time. Morning to noon time. It means 2:00 AM will come. C part 20:36. 20 is more than 12. So PM time minus 12 from 20. Answer is 8. 8:36 PM will come. Is that clear, these points? Okay. Now D part is left 17.05. You have to do 12 is more than 12. It means PM will come with it and minus 12 from 17. Then answer will come. Please write down your answer below the question. Okay guys, textbook page 233. Question number 5. Can you tell 5 p.m. using in 24-hour clock? Okay, on this page we are changing our time into 24-hour clock. In the previous page we are changing our time into 12-hour clock. You can see on the clock time is 5 o'clock. Okay, 12-hour time is 5.00 p.m. It means this is afternoon time. PM shows afternoon time. Okay, now this time we will add 12 in it. Okay, when you add, we can say 1700 is in 24-hour clock time. Question number 6. What is 1.49 p.m. using the 24-hour clock? This is 1:49 p.m. PM mean it will be into a more afternoon time, and you have to add 12 in 1. 1 plus 12, answer is 12:49. I have done this part for you. Question number 7. Try these. 10:15 p.m. and 2:45 a.m. One is PM question, one is AM question. Just represent your answer in 24-hour clock. If PM is there, you will add 12 in our number. If AM is there, no need to be add. Just simply write in 4-digit form like digital clock. Okay guys, hope so you have clear how to write time in 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay, now this is time to enjoy some game. How do we tell this time using 24-hour clock? 12:30 a.m. It means this is night time or noon time. What is this? How to tell me the time? Okay, 12:30 I have done for you, and 12 noon how to write? 12:00 you are going to be right. Okay, simply we are writing time. After that, which of the following shows 12 midnight using the 24-hour system? Okay, midnight time. If there is 12 midnight, then how to represent? Which clock represent 000 or 12.00? Which clock? Tell me please. Which clock represent night midtime? Okay, today's homework is 1:30, 1:31 and 1:32, and all work is related to your textbook work. You can take help from textbook work, some solved examples and unsolved questions, and then do your homework. Hopefully you have understand all these things. Thank you so much.